we moved. I don't even know how we did that. We used the garage door, the front door, the stairs inside.
Oh, where you're at now, right?
Yeah, it was because my aunt was having Leslie at the time, but they wanted to move upstairs. Like okay. I think we did that all
Is it
in one
nicer
day.
upstairs? Or?
Yeah, it's just 2 bedrooms, but it's a lot larger space. Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, I don't know if they're even still open over here.
What?
U-Haul.
7.
Oh, yeah. No. Oh, I don't know.
That clock says it's 7:09 right now.
Oh yeah. Oh, 6:00. Oh, 6. Oh yeah, 6.
That clock's wrong?
Oh no, it's just in the other time, 24-hour time.
Yeah, but that's military time.
Yeah, it's
So-
6. 6. Yeah, 6:10.
Okay.
Yeah. The GPS acts up at times. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh, I can just go down. Yeah. So now I'm going to turn on to Florida, since it's right there. I can just do that.
Florida is broken up with a lot of slides. It's just easier.
Oh yeah. Oh
to go
yeah.
down Tennessee and over, or
Yeah.
Georgia and then over.
Oh yeah. Like. Oh yeah. I can do. Yeah. Wow. What the. Oh. Oh, X. Yeah, XM really sucks in this car.
Huh?
The XM part sucks in this car. It works when it wants to.
Do you pay for the XM?
Yeah, I have the apps. I use the app instead. Like I will just do that since.
Not through your car?
I mean, I can use it in a car, but sometimes.
It's hit or miss?
Yeah, but I talked to someone with them a while back, and they suggest that I should get that antenna checked. It's like, okay, that makes sense too, because it's always no signal, but like I know that there's a signal. I mean, when it works pretty good. Like no constant like coming in and out. Like yeah, it's like oh yeah, it's oh yeah. Ooh. Yeah, I mean the app's good until I have to like tap to play a game. Sometimes all my apps do that too. But it's the normal. Oh yeah. Ooh. Yeah. All for sale. Honda too. Want to stop? You should have stop. Not just the car backing out or trying to go in. I don't know. Just so many wrongs. Yeah. For 13, it's not bad. Well, looks like 41 and 36. The decimal point makes a big difference. But $41 and 30 cents, I guess. But yeah. Oh man. You guys. Not bad for 30 cents. That's how they do it in Africa too, how they carry stuff. I've never seen that here, but on TV shows I used to. Instead. Oh boy. Whew. I thought I was capping for a second.
I wonder what's happening at the laundromat. It's
Weird.
power outage, according to Kathy.
I wonder if it's really something else, but I don't know. That's really weird. I mean, unless he forgot to pay a bill, which I don't know, but that's weird because it's only affecting them and no one else. That's kind of, I don't know. It's weird to me, but short circuit probably, something like that. Yeah. Yeah. Science gonna be interesting on Facebook group.
Huh?
There's a Facebook group about like science. How like give me a sign like just like that one has the sky's don'ts, but it's supposed to be donuts.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, they that's kind of why like laughing out loud because of like all the weird signs they find. Like oh, this, yeah, like and the comments that go along with it. It's even funnier that way, but. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm always like reacting to those yeah. It's like a lot of weird words, but yeah. Like I don't know. It's like a lot. Yeah. Some comic strips like kind of get posted. A lot of peanuts too. Like it gets posted. Like oh damn. Okay.
This is Vallejo.
Yeah, no, it scared me for a second. I thought it was gonna try and like in front. They tend to do that halfway, and they start changing lanes like halfway on 4 times now. 3919. Damn.
Is this what the bus that you just passed us?
The second one. I mean, it's the
one that passes when we're downtown?
I don't know about that one, but
Or is it the type of bus?
no, I mean at the number the 3919 the coach number, I guess.
Oh.
Yeah, 3920 was the first one. This is the second one starting to be everywhere I am. Yeah, I don't know. It's like a couple of guys. It's like, oh yeah, they made it in like Oakland or even like down towards like San Mateo. They yeah, it's like, oh yeah, it's sorts of like fun. No, there's one that actually bumps into it all the time. He hates it so much. For San Francisco, for them, like. But yeah, he got moved to Old Navy at the mall. I guess after the one on the Market Street closed. I don't ever commute for him, but it's not bad. Let's see. Oh, let's go. Well, I could have gone back just to head over there, but. Oh, just a little close. Oh yeah. Oh, I guess.
I'm just.
Oh yeah.
Pull over here and.
Oh.
Okay, yeah. We'll go in.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No. There we go.
And I'm gonna drop that off at the post office.
Oh yeah. Oh, mailbox. Oh yeah. I still don't know what I want to do with this. I don't know. Can't even tie it. Okay. Ooh. I'm paying for everybody who wants them to work. 39.19. 4 damn times. Like, damn. Sheesh. Like, how many damn times do I have to see you? Sheesh. That gets super annoying. Sheesh. And stalker, yeah.